Today, we are going to make an easy liquid fertilizer that requires very little effort and can be used on vegetables, flowers, herbs, and many other garden plants. To make this fertilizer, we first take about 1 kilogram of white rice and place it in a large container. Then we add 2 liters of water. The rice and water are mixed thoroughly for several minutes. As the rice is stirred and rubbed in the water, some of the starch, minerals, and other compounds move into the liquid. The water gradually becomes cloudy and milky in appearance. This cloudy liquid is what we are interested in because it contains nutrients that can be useful for plants and soil life. Once the rice has been mixed well with the water, the next step is to strain the liquid. The rice itself does not need to be wasted and can still be used for other purposes if desired. The strained rice water is then poured into another container containing 10 liters of clean water. This dilution helps create a larger amount of fertilizer that can be applied more evenly throughout the garden. After adding the rice water to the 10 liters of water, it is time to include another ingredient. We add about 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds to the mixture. Coffee grounds are often recommended for gardening because they contain nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, and small amounts of phosphorus. They can also provide organic matter that benefits soil structure and microbial activity. In our case, we do not have coffee grounds available. Instead, we have some expired coffee that has been sitting unused for a long time. Rather than throwing it away, we can recycle it in the garden. Expired coffee can still contain many of the same compounds that make fresh coffee grounds useful for plants. Using it in this fertilizer mixture is a simple way to reduce waste while giving the material a second purpose. Once the coffee is added, everything is mixed thoroughly. Stirring ensures that the nutrients and organic compounds are distributed evenly throughout the liquid. At this stage, the fertilizer is ready to use. No complicated equipment, special tools, or expensive products are required. The entire process can be completed in a short amount of time using materials that many households already have. When applying this liquid fertilizer, pour it directly around the base of your plants. The soil will absorb the nutrients, making them available to plant roots. This fertilizer can be used on vegetable gardens, flower beds, potted plants, and fruit-bearing plants. Because the mixture is already diluted, it is gentle enough for regular garden use. Rice water is often appreciated by gardeners because it contains starches and trace nutrients that can encourage microbial activity in the soil. Healthy soil microbes play an important role in breaking down organic matter and making nutrients more accessible to plants. A thriving microbial community can improve soil health over time and create a better environment for root development. The addition of coffee contributes even more organic material to the mixture. As these materials interact with the soil, they can help support beneficial microorganisms. Strong microbial activity is often linked to healthier plants, improved nutrient cycling, and better overall soil fertility. While this fertilizer should not be considered a complete replacement for compost or other long-term soil building practices, it can be a useful supplement. It provides a quick and easy way to return nutrients and organic compounds back to the garden rather than sending them to the trash. Small actions like this can help create a more sustainable gardening routine. One of the best things about this method is its simplicity. There is no need for expensive fertilizers or complicated recipes. A small amount of rice, water, and unused coffee can be transformed into a useful garden resource. By making use of materials that might otherwise be discarded, gardeners can save money, reduce waste, and provide extra support for their plants at the same time. The next time you have leftover rice water or expired coffee sitting in your kitchen, consider giving them a new purpose. With just a few simple steps, these everyday items can become a helpful liquid fertilizer that supports healthy soil and thriving plants throughout the garden.